The communities where we work are all very needy, and the areas we focus on are education, livelihood, and child welfare. The volunteers who go out on our programs make a real difference in terms of providing the children a sense of aspiration, a sense of purpose, a perspective of the world beyond theirs, which makes a real difference to their lives and the results which they have in their exams. I recently was talking about a case study that we did in Cambodia, where there are 340 children from the poorest of backgrounds who attend a supplementary class program. These children are falling behind education, dropping out of school. With the help of our volunteers last year, 89 of the 340 children attended secondary school, which represented a 100% pass rate. And that for me is the impact that these volunteers have on our programs. For us, actually, it is about sort of sustainable programs where volunteers come and play their part, but continuous stream of volunteers coming in and doing little bits adds up to a lot more than just one volunteer staying through. Last year I was at a Buddhist monastery where we have been working for the last 6 or 7 years, and the head monk came up to me and said, look, you've had so many volunteers come and spend long periods of time here. We had a group from a university in the UK come for 3 weeks, and they said they made such a huge difference to the lives of our children, because all the children at age 12, 13, 14 just wanted to hang out with the volunteers. They just felt that there was this group of trendy volunteers who they would like to emulate, they would like to go and talk to, they would like to be a part of. And suddenly, instead of just being a lone teacher standing in front of a class, they became one of them, and they interacted with them so much more informally that it made a huge difference to the way they sort of took on the language, their whole perspective in life. We have a very simple approach to the way the programs and the fundraising targets are worked out, and the approach always aims to provide at least 50% of the money that is raised to the projects and to the organization. So no more than 50% is ever sort of utilized in terms of cost of the trip for the volunteers going out. And the money that is left over is then utilized in really hard-working projects. So we, as an organization, don't go out and splurge money or give money. We don't like to be seen as a funding organization. We like to be seen as an organization which makes a difference to the local communities that we work. Our overheads in the UK are extremely low. So as an organization, we make sure that overheads are not more than 10% under any circumstances. So 90% of the expenditure thereafter is done in the countries where we work.